The new South Wharf development is 150,000 square metres of the mixed-use building, including a large retail area, a 12-level office tower, 28 townhouses and parking for over 3,000 cars. The KLM Group was engaged to design and construct a comprehensive electrical services solution covering power, lighting, C-bus systems, data communications and MATV. The final installation included over 28 kilometres in submains cable and over 10 kilometres of cable tray. This was a complex and challenging project, taking into account the diverse needs of the complex and the difficulties with underground infrastructure due to proximity to the Yarra River. The final outcome is an outstanding state-of-the-art system that is user-friendly, flexible, energy efficient and an outstanding testament to the KLM Group's capabilities.